everyone, it's your girl Omabelle, and today I'm coming to you all with this beautiful and gorgeous grey wig I literally just finished making a few hours ago. Let's just go right into it because I can't wait to show you guys. Alright guys, so this is the hair we're going to be working with today, and I received these as bundles which I made into a wig obviously. And for the wig I used 4 bundles of Brazilian 613 straight virgin human hair from Yolissa hair and a 20-inch closure. I made the wig, washed it, and now it's time to go ahead and achieve the hair color I've been dreaming of almost all my wig life. A grey silver hair color. Like, you guys have been obsessing over this hair color, and the first thing I would do would be to dye the root of the hair because I love my roots to be close to my undertone whenever I'm wearing a bright wig. So like I prefer my roots to be darker, like when I'm going for maybe a blonde, a silver, a red, a pink, like all these bright hair colors. I always like my roots to be a dark color. So I'm using these 3 products: a 20 volume cream developer which helps the color to develop, a toner from Wella Color Charm, and this is their 4A237 ash gray color. I will first pour out the content into a cup since I only need half of the bottle, but a typical me, I first spilled 1/3 of the products, which sucked. Of course, I had to clean up the mess, but back to the hair. I will pour half of the products into the bottle to make sure it's the measurement I want, and then I'll add 1 full bottle of the cream developer into the toner using the toner bottle. So it's half the toner to 1 bottle of developer, and then I'll add 5 sprays of an argan oil, and this will help retain the hair moisture. So this is what the mixture looks like, not too thick or too liquid. So over here, I'm going to go on and put on my gloves. Do not forget this step or else you want your fingers to look roasted after you're all done. And then I'll section off the hair into 2 parts and then begin depositing the color. I'm only applying the toner very close to the root. I don't want the dark gray all over the top of the wig, so I'm going really careful, just 3 inches away. Girl, while I was applying the color, I noticed the hair is changing to a very dark color, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. I will leave this on for about 10 minutes since the color is processing really fast, and then wash it off with a neutralizing shampoo. Once the toner is washed off, this is what we have: a nice dark root, which I absolutely love. But meanwhile, I don't know why I keep calling this toner, like tuna. It's not a tuna, it's not a tuna fish, you guys, it's toner. The next step is to achieve the silver grey color, and for that I will use 3 bottles of the Wella Charm color in T14, which is a silver color, and I will do 1 full bottle of toner to 2 full bottles of the developer using the toner bottle. This will make sure you don't over bleach the hair. Just keep to the measurement and we will be all fine. Also, I'll add few sprays of the argan oil for the moisture. Alright, so I will begin from the back of the wig to deposit my color. I also sectioned off the hair first for easy access, and then I will start from the root and apply the mixture all the way down to the ends and make sure I rub it in real good. We're not about to waste products, and 3 bottles of toner should be sufficient for 4 bundles of 26 inches hair. So I will continue doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over again till the whole hair is saturated with the color. While applying, you might notice the hair is changing color, but it's all okay. It's all part of the process. I've been wanting a great silver wig for the longest, and I'm so happy I'm about to have one. I'm very pleased with the quality of this hair from Yolissa Hair Company, although I noticed a number of shedding here and there, but it's nothing to worry about. Normally hair sheds, especially while undergoing processing. I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 to 45 minutes to fully process and then wash it off with a neutralizing shampoo and also condition it to get rid of any brassiness. So this is what we have after all this. What an amazing transformation. Yes, can't wait to try it on. And since it was very late the day I colored this hair, it was like 2 a.m. in the morning. So I decided to go to bed and let it air dry. And then the next morning, it's time to flat iron the hair to get it sleek and straight as possible. And I will first apply a hair primer and a protective spray to protect the hair against heat. I sectioned off the hair and started from the back to straight it out, and I'm going to bone straight it as much as I can. And I always get a better result whenever I use a small comb to kind of guide the flat iron, which is what I'm doing here. And oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe how gorgeous this hair is. Alright, so it's now time to try my work, and since I used the closure, the measurement of the wig cap I used for the wig is perfect for my head. So I'll simply just flip the wig over, flip it back up, and then adjust it to perfectly fit. So I just realized I had some flyaways at the top of the wig, so I will use a hair mousse to tame them down. Also, I will use a concealer close to my natural skin tone to define the part of the wig and also go on and flat iron some parts of the wig one more time to achieve a more sleek effect. Definitely let me know what you think about this hair color in my comment section, because as for me, I'm so rocking this hair all summer long. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check out my description box for any info you may need. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.